National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Calhoun County in central South Carolina, southwestern Clarendon County in central South Carolina, northeastern Barnwell County in central South Carolina, Bamberg County in central South Carolina, southeastern Lexington County in central South Carolina, southwestern Sumter County in central South Carolina, east central Aiken County in central South Carolina, Orangeburg County in central South Carolina, southeastern Richland County in central South Carolina, until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Edisto Gardens, or near Orangeburg, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 70 miles per hour wind gusts and $size hail. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Orangeburg, Bamberg, Denmark, McIntyre Air Base, Brookdale, St. Matthews, Holly Hill, Branchville, Somerton, Bowman, Eastover, Ellery, Santee State Park, Orangeburg County Airport, Congaree National Park, Claflin College, South Carolina State University, Sandy Run, Gadsden and Edisto Gardens. This includes the following highways: Interstate 26 between mile markers 124 and 169. Interstate 95 between mile markers 85 and 109.